Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to import the section shapes in CSICol. And before we start, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button. If you like this video, please put a thumb up as well. Okay, so first I will create the blank document. And we can go to options and check the unit and rebar sets. So this is the rebar that we can use in the file that we import. Okay, next we can go to draw and we can check the section that we use. We can also go to home and click on the import button here. Okay, so first one is the text file. So we can import the coordinates of the shape. So this is the rectangular shape. The first value here is the x-axis value, and this is the y-axis value. So we have 4 points, and we can click on open. So this is the section that we import, and we can check the material here. This is the concrete, and I will keep it that way. And next we can import the rebar. So for the rebar, we need to use the CS3 file, and you can check the file here. So for the first column, it is the x-axis value, and this is the y-axis value. And for the last column here, this is the size of the rebar. So in this video, I will use 20 millimeter of rebar. And to save time, I already import the value here, and we can click on open. So we have the rebar like this, and you can check the rebar here. We can see the size and the position of the rebar, and you can change the size of the rebar as well, but I will keep all the rebar 20 millimeter. And the last one is the DXF file that I want to show you. So we can go to AutoCAD and check the file that I want to import. So this is the edge section, and you can let me change the scale here. You can check the size of the shape. Okay, so we can click on the XS file, and this is the file that I'm going to use. Okay, so this is the shape, but you need to check the material here. As you can see, this is the concrete, but I want to use the steel section, so I will change to this one. And you can also change the material, but I will keep it like this. Okay, so now we have all the components for the section. You can add the confinement, but we keep it like this. And next I want to show you the interaction diagram, so you can see it here. The last thing that I want to show you is the export this section to the DXF file. First I will click on column 1, and we can click on this, or you can again go to draw and click on this option. So you can save as the DXF file and save, and I will open this one. You can check shape here, and again you can check the dimension. Okay, so this is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.